how to turn off story notification on Instagram. Hi everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure to turn off story notification on Instagram. To begin with, make sure that the application is completely up to date and open the Instagram app on your device. Once you open up your application, click the profile initials from the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the menu bar from the top right hand side corner. As you go to this section, you want to locate notification, toggle that, and then you have these post stories and comments, right? Selected so. And on this page, you want to simply go ahead and look for stories. So over here, you want to make sure to toggle the button for off. When you actually do it so, you've successfully turned off notification or story notification on Instagram. If this does not help out, so what you have to do is you simply want to exit out of this page, long press the application, go to the app info icon, and here click on permissions. Here click on notification and make sure to toggle the button for notification, or you could just go ahead and select it accordingly, and this way you'll be able to turn off story notification. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.